tried everything, no?
I tried everything, no?
Pati halaman, kinakain ko na.
Pati halaman, kinakain ko na.
Because as a doctor, I just rely on what I know.
Because as a doctor, I just rely on what I know.
I've been diabetic for years. I'm a surgeon, general surgeon, and I tried everything. Subukan ko na lahat, pati halaman, kinakain ko na. But a store gave me a box. It was 11 days ago because it's about 11 pieces, no? I still have one. I can't believe it. That's why I'm here. Kasi bakit? Why my 200 to 300 sugar went down to 88. The next day, it was 106. The third day, I ate a lot of sweet mangoes. I missed a lot of it. Bawal na bawal ko yun sa diabetes. And I've been telling my patients about this. So, 131. Sabi ko, pwede na. And then this morning, again, I ate a lot of bawal. And I have a sugar of 96. So, I don't know if it's because of this. I have to find out. I don't usually go to this kind of activities because as a doctor, I just rely on what I know, the medicines I know, but I have to know why it went down this way. I just want to know if I will just stop my injections. I have 3 injections every day. I have my tablets, and I tell you, the worst patients are doctors. Matigas ang ulo, no? Hard-headed pain. I saw Coke Zero, it says zero. I drink a lot because I'm an addict for Coke. And like chocolate, pag nag-ano ako, bahala na si Lord, kakain ako. Because my practice before is, when I eat Cadbury, my favorite Big Bar, I eat the whole thing because it might get spoiled. So, inuubos ko na kesa makulog. Now, I know I have a hope that I might be eaten. This morning, I had a patient who told me, can I have this also? Because I told her what happened to me. So I said, it's a little expensive because my clinic's not the beach place. Pagka pasyente ko is not money, in other words. But I went there because I want to give back to the people. Because I'm supposed to be in the hospital with my necktie waiting for surgery.